Kambi mar ong'we yamo mar Airtel koro yango nyamburko moyiedhi mabiro mole gwenge duto mondo mi okony jogo man kod penje wi laindegi kod kata gino mora mora wi tije mag kambino.
Mar achiel chenro ma otim mondo mi ne okony jogo ma onge kod kuonde machiegni kod apise mag Airtel mayudore e bombe Bathurka.
Chenro madendo ni Airtel Customer Care on Wheels oyang kawuono e kar dak ma Kondele kendo nyamburko ma ibiro ringo e counties duto mayudre imo mar Kenya bende koro oseket kare.
You know, Airtel is a challenger in the market. Obviously, we are the second largest telco service provider. And today, we chose to put customer care on wheels because, one, we realize that our service footprint may not be across the country. So we want to create some easier access to our customers to ensure that even if you're in the deepest part of the rural area, then we have some means of getting to you. Like one of my colleagues had previously mentioned, we want to bring customer care to your doorstep as a customer. Not necessarily you waiting and coming and reaching out to us, because traditionally customer care has been an outlet. If you have a problem, you make time and go and visit the customer. So this is Airtel telling us that we respect our customers to the extent that we are willing to go where they are